Welcome back to the channel, your trusted guide to unlocking your fullest potential. In our busy, always-on world, sleep often feels like a luxury, something we can cut back on to make more time. But what if I told you that sacrificing sleep isn't just making you tired, it's robbing you of your true power? Today, we're going to transform your perception of rest. Imagine waking up truly refreshed, energized, and mentally sharp, ready to tackle anything. Imagine faster recovery from workouts, a stronger immune system, and a more stable mood. This isn't a pipe dream, it's the reality when you treat sleep as your superpower. In this insightful deep dive, we'll unlock the science behind optimal rest and give you actionable strategies to transform your sleep, boosting your mental clarity and physical performance like never before. Get ready to reclaim your nights and supercharge your days. Before we unravel these life-changing insights, if you find this information valuable, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more science-backed health and wellness tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. A quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider if you have persistent sleep issues or medical conditions. The hidden crisis, why we're sleep deprived. Let's be honest, in our modern world, sleep is often the first thing to go. With demanding jobs, endless entertainment at our fingertips, social obligations, and the constant hum of digital devices, getting enough quality sleep feels increasingly challenging. We often wear sleep deprivation like a badge of honor, thinking we're more productive by burning the candle at both ends. But this couldn't be further from the truth. The reality is that chronic sleep deprivation is a hidden crisis, subtly eroding our health, mood, and performance. Its consequences are far-reaching: mental fog and irritability. You struggle to focus, make decisions, and feel easily annoyed. Impaired physical performance, workouts feel harder, recovery slows, and injury risk increases. Weight gain, sleep deprivation disrupts hormones that regulate appetite, ghrelin and leptin, leading to increased cravings and fat storage. Weakened immune system, you become more susceptible to illness. Increased stress and anxiety, your body's ability to cope with daily stressors is diminished. Long-term health risks, chronic poor sleep is linked to serious conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's disease. It's time to shift our mindset from viewing sleep as wasted time to recognizing it as a non-negotiable biological necessity, a powerful tool for optimal function. The science of sleep, what happens when you sleep? So, what exactly happens when you close your eyes and drift off? Sleep isn't just shutting down, it's an incredibly active and complex state where your body and brain perform vital maintenance and restoration. Let's break down the magic. Sleep cycles through distinct stages, primarily NREM, non-rapid eye movement, sleep, and REM, rapid eye movement, sleep, repeating several times throughout the night. Each stage plays a unique role. NREM sleep, stages 1 to 3. This is your deep repair sleep. Stage 1 and 2, light sleep. Your heart rate and breathing slow, muscles relax, and body temperature drops. It's the transition into sleep. Stage 3, deep sleep/slow wave sleep. This is the most restorative phase. Mental benefits, your brain engages in a crucial, cleansing process. The glymphatic system, a waste removal system unique to the brain, becomes highly active, flushing out metabolic byproducts and toxins, including amyloid beta proteins linked to Alzheimer's disease. This is essential for maintaining cognitive clarity and preventing neurodegeneration. Memory consolidation also happens here, moving information from short-term to long-term storage. Physical benefits, your body releases human growth hormone, vital for tissue repair, muscle growth, and fat metabolism. Cells regenerate, muscles repair micro-tears from daily activity and exercise, and energy stores are replenished. Your immune system also strengthens, producing protective cytokines and T cells to fight off infections. REM sleep, this is your dreaming sleep, characterized by rapid eye movements and increased brain activity, almost as if you're awake. Mental benefits, REM sleep is critical for emotional regulation and creativity. Your brain processes emotions, consolidates complex memories, and integrates new information. This is where problem-solving can occur outside of conscious thought, leading to those aha moments. It helps you cope with stress and maintain emotional balance. Essentially, while you're asleep, your body and brain are working tirelessly, rejuvenating you from the inside out. Sacrificing this process means directly compromising your mental sharpness, emotional resilience, physical strength, and overall health. Optimizing your sleep superpower, practical strategies. Now that we understand the profound importance of sleep, let's talk about how to optimize it and truly unlock its superpower potential. These strategies are practical and, with consistent effort, can make a monumental difference. 1. The power of consistency, your circadian rhythm, 8:30 to 9:30. This is arguably the most important factor. Your body thrives on routine. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Yes, even on weekends. This consistent schedule reinforces your natural sleep-wake cycle, or circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep quickly and wake up feeling refreshed. Treat your sleep schedule like an important appointment. 2. Master your bedroom environment, 9:30 to 11 o'clock, your sleep space should be a sanctuary. Focus on these 3 elements, darkness, even tiny slivers of light can disrupt melatonin production. Use blackout curtains or blinds. Cover any glowing electronics. Coolness, most people sleep best in a cool room, typically between 18 to 20 degrees Celsius, 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Your body's core temperature naturally drops at night, and a cool room aids this process. Quiet, minimize noise. Use earplugs, a white noise machine, or a fan to block out disruptive sounds. Consistency here helps your brain associate the environment with sleep. 3. Develop a relaxing pre-sleep routine, 11 to 12:30, just as children benefit from a bedtime routine, so do adults. This signals to your body that it's time to wind down. Aim for 30 to 60 minutes before bed. No screens, avoid blue light from phones, tablets, computers, and even bright TVs for at least an hour before bed. Blue light suppresses melatonin. Read a physical book, engage your mind gently without stimulating light. Warm bath or shower, the drop in body temperature after getting out can induce sleepiness. Gentle stretching, release physical tension without invigorating your body. Mindfulness or deep breathing, calm your nervous system. Apps can guide you through simple meditations. 4. Be mindful of diet and hydration timing, 12:30 to 13:30, what and when you consume affects your sleep. Caffeine, avoid caffeine, coffee, tea, energy drinks, some sodas, at least 6 to 8 hours before bedtime. Its effects linger far longer than you might realize. Alcohol, while it might make you feel sleepy initially, alcohol disrupts your sleep architecture later in the night, especially REM sleep, leading to fragmented and unrefreshing rest. Limit or avoid it, especially in the evening. Heavy meals, try to finish large meals at least 2 to 3 hours before bed to allow for digestion. A light, easily digestible snack is fine if you're truly hungry. 5. Optimize light exposure, 13:30 to 14:30, light is a powerful regulator of your circadian rhythm. Morning light, get bright light exposure, ideally natural sunlight, within an hour of waking. Open curtains, step outside, or use a light therapy lamp. This signals to your brain that it's daytime and helps set your internal clock. Evening dimness, as evening approaches, dim your lights. Use warm, amber-toned bulbs. Consider blue light blocking glasses if you must use screens. 6. Exercise smartly, 14:30 to 1500 hours, regular physical activity is fantastic for sleep quality, but timing matters. Daily movement, aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Timing, avoid intense workouts too close to bedtime, within 3 to 4 hours, as the stimulating effects can make it harder to fall asleep. Morning or afternoon workouts are ideal. 7. Manage stress and anxiety, 15 to 1600 hours, an overactive mind is a common sleep saboteur. Journaling, write down your worries before bed to get them out of your head. Mindful breathing, practice slow, deep breaths, e.g., for 7-8 breathing, to activate your parasympathetic nervous system, signaling relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation, tense and then relax different muscle groups to release tension. Implementing even a few of these strategies consistently can lead to remarkable improvements in your sleep quality and, by extension, your entire life. Troubleshooting common sleep saboteurs. Let us pinpoint some specific roadblocks that often derail our sleep efforts and how to navigate them. The lure of the screen, that endless scroll or next episode is designed to keep you engaged. The blue light suppresses melatonin, and the content keeps your mind stimulated. Solution: implement a strict digital curfew 1 to 2 hours before bed. Replace screen time with reading, journaling, or quiet conversation. The late-night snack attack, eating a large, rich meal too close to bedtime forces your digestive system to work overtime, elevating body temperature and making sleep difficult. Solution: aim to finish dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. If you're genuinely hungry, opt for a light, easily digestible snack like a banana, a small handful of almonds, or a cup of herbal tea. The anxious mind, ruminating on worries or planning for tomorrow, can keep you awake for hours. Solution: dedicate a specific worry time earlier in the day to address concerns. Practice gratitude journaling before bed, focus on 3 things you're thankful for. Guided meditations for sleep can be incredibly helpful in gently redirecting your thoughts. Weekend sleep debt. While catching up on a little sleep on the weekend is okay, drastically shifting your sleep schedule, e.g., sleeping in until noon, can throw off your circadian rhythm, making Monday mornings even harder. Solution: try to keep your weekend sleep schedule within an hour or two of your weekday one to maintain consistency. By consciously addressing these common pitfalls, you can create a more conducive environment for deep, restorative sleep. In conclusion, sleep is not a luxury, it is your ultimate superpower for peak mental and physical performance. It's the critical time when your brain cleanses itself, your body repairs and rebuilds, and your emotions are processed. Neglecting it means constantly operating below your full potential. By embracing consistency, optimizing your sleep environment, creating a calming routine, and being mindful of your daily habits, you can unlock profound benefits. More energy, sharper focus, better mood, faster recovery, and a stronger immune system, all are within your reach when you make quality sleep a non-negotiable priority. If you found this video insightful and empowering, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family who are also struggling with sleep and looking to boost their well-being. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for more science-backed health and wellness tips. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable content. Thank you for watching, and here's to your best sleep ever and a truly superpowered life. Stay well.